In this next problem, we are solving an equation with fractions. So what we want to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this problem. So I have 2x over 5 equals x over 3, and then I'm going to make this 2 into a fraction. So to make it over a fraction, I'm just going to put it over a 1. Now what I want to do is find the common denominator, which would be this least common multiple of 5, 3, and 1, which would be 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each part of this fraction by 15. And if you want to keep it as a fraction, you can do 15 over 1. That's fine. So 15 over 1. And what this does is it gets rid of the denominators, and we're going to cross cancel. So cross canceling means I'm going to do this. 5 goes into 15 3 times. And then I do 3 times 2x, and that gives me a 6x. Now the reason why I can do that, take a look at this. Let's say I do this way. I have 15 over 1 times 2x over 5. Well, let's just say I do the traditional multiplication here, and I do 15 times 2x, that gives me a 30x, and then 1 times 5 gives me 5. Well, then I could reduce that. 30 over 5 gives me 6x. So I can take this concept, that's why I can cross cancel over here. So it would still give me the same thing. So you guys can do this if you want, it just gives you an extra step. But if it helps you to see where the 6x is coming from, that's fine. So again, here I cross cancel, I say 5 goes into 15 3 times, and then 3 times 2x is 6x. So that's where I get that 6x. Then I can cross cancel again. I can say 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times x is 5x. And then this nothing cancels here. So I just go straight across. 2 times 15 gives me a positive 30 over 1. And now I just solve like a regular equation. There's no more fractions. So this is a positive 5x. So if I subtract a 5x from both sides, I'm going to get 6x minus 5x. That's going to give me 1x, or just x. These guys are going to cancel. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then I get x equals 30. And that's it. And then you can go ahead and check that. So 2 times 30, let's go ahead and check over here. 2 times 30 over 5 should equal 30 over 3 plus 2. So let's see. 2 times 30 is 60. 60 divided by 5 is 15. And 60 divided by 2 times 30, 60. 60 divided by 5 is 12, not 15. Sorry about that. And then 30 divided by 3 is 10, plus 2 would give me 12. So I get 12 equals 12, and it works out.